Many people think that security is only the job of the guards at the main gate, but the truth is, the guards cannot see everything. Once a person enters the factory, you become the eyes and ears of the company. A secure workplace is not just about preventing theft, it is about keeping our people and our jobs safe. If we are careless with security, we put the whole factory at risk. To understand your role, let's look at what manufacturing security actually is. Security is simply protecting our workplace from outside threats. In a factory, we have three things valuable to protect: our people, our property, like machines and products, and our information, like production plans. Security breaches happen when we get lazy with the rules. This happens when we let strangers in without asking, leave doors open, or take company property without permission. Good security means knowing who is in the building and knowing that our assets are safe. Now let's look at the main security risks we face every day. First, unauthorized entry. This happens when strangers walk into production areas unnoticed. If a person enters without a badge or training, they can cause accidents, steal tools, or even harm workers. Second, theft of assets. Factories are full of valuable items like copper, tools, and finished products. Theft causes the company to lose money, which can affect our bonuses and jobs. Finally, information leaks. Taking photos or videos of the production line might seem harmless, but if that photo gets on social media, our competitors can steal our ideas and secrets. To stop these risks, we must follow simple security rules, just like we follow safety rules. First, control access. Always wear your ID badge where it can be seen. Never tailgate or hold the door open for someone you don't know. If you see a stranger without a badge, ask them, "Can I help you?" or call security. Second, protect the assets. Never take materials or tools out of the factory without a gate pass. Also, never prop open emergency doors for fresh air. An open door is an invitation for thieves to enter. Third, no photography. Keep your phone in your pocket. Do not take pictures of machines, production boards, or processes. What happens inside the factory stays inside the factory. Finally, report suspicious activity. If you see a bag left alone, a broken lock, or a cut fence, tell your supervisor or security guard immediately. Security is a 24-hour job, and we are all part of the team. A simple act, like closing a door or checking a badge, makes a big difference. Stay alert, follow the rules, and help keep our workplace secure.